What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and turn on those notifications because today we are diving into something special, something classic, something that defines true American craftsmanship. Ladies and gentlemen, right here in front of me, the legend itself, the 1972 Chevrolet C10 pickup truck. Now, before we even get into the details, let's just take a moment to appreciate what this truck represents. The C10 isn't just a pickup, it's a story on wheels. It's a time capsule from an era when design met durability, when the open road meant freedom, and when driving wasn't just transportation, it was an experience. The 1972 model marked the end of the second generation of the Chevy CDK line, often referred to by enthusiasts as the action line. This was the last year before Chevrolet completely redesigned the body, and for many collectors, this is the year that stands at the perfect intersection of style, performance, and nostalgia. Look at these lines, smooth, muscular, and timeless. The 1972 C10 carries that bold, squared-off stance that just screams confidence. The front end, that split grille with the Chevrolet badge proudly displayed across the center, tells you everything you need to know about American design philosophy at the time. No unnecessary flair, no futuristic gimmicks, just solid steel and clean geometry. The chrome bumper, polished to a mirror finish, catches the sunlight like it's been waiting 50 years for this very moment. Underneath that sculpted hood, we've got options that define power in the early 70s. You could have your C10 equipped with anything from a straight 6 to the legendary 350 cubic inch small block V8. And for those who wanted to push it even further, the 402 big block was available, a monster that turned this working class truck into a street dominator. The sound of that engine firing up is pure music, a deep, throaty rumble that tells you this isn't a toy. It's raw, mechanical poetry. No computer chips, no digital filters, just carburetors, compression, and craftsmanship. Now let's talk about the interior, because even though this truck was built to work, Chevrolet made sure it could cruise too. Step inside, and you're greeted with one of the most elegant interiors of any pickup from its era. The bench seat, wide and welcoming, often upholstered in two-tone vinyl, gives off that retro vibe that just can't be replicated. The dash layout is beautifully simple analog gauges, a steel faceplate, and those tactile chrome knobs. There's a reason so many people restore these trucks. It's not just about nostalgia, it's about the feeling. When you sit in here, you feel connected not just to the road, but to an era of authenticity. Every knob, every lever, every detail feels intentional. This was before the era of plastic dominance. Back then, metal meant metal. The door handles have weight, the steering wheel has soul, and even the scent, that subtle mix of old leather, fuel, and sunshine tells you you're in something real. You can almost hear the echoes of the past owners, farmers, craftsmen, dreamers, all who used this very kind of truck to build lives, families, and legacies. And speaking of legacies, the 1972 model wasn't just about looks. It brought mechanical refinement too. Independent front suspension gave it a smoother ride than most trucks of its time. Power steering and power brakes became more common, making it as easy to drive around town as it was to take out on the open highway. It wasn't just a workhorse, it was a gentleman's truck, tough enough to haul a load, refined enough to take your date to dinner. Now let's walk around to the rear, where that short bed steals the show. The clean, straight body lines running into the tailgate give the C10 a balanced, confident look. You've got that classic Chevrolet embossed tailgate lettering that just pops against the color. Whether it's painted in hugger orange, medium olive, or that iconic two-tone white and blue combo, this truck doesn't just turn heads, it stops time. Every single panel tells a story. And if you've ever driven one, you know, this isn't just a truck, it's an experience. Collectors today are going crazy over these C10s. You can find fully restored models going for well over $60,000, and some high-end estimates with modern LS engines and custom interiors easily topping $100,000. Why? Because the C10 has become more than just a vintage pickup. It's a canvas for builders and dreamers. People are blending the soul of the 70s with the technology of today. Disc brakes, air suspension, digital gauges, and upgraded drivetrains. But no matter how modern they make it, the heart of the truck remains the same, that unmistakable C10 identity. The thing is, every time you get behind the wheel of a 1972 Chevrolet C10, you're reminded of what driving used to feel like. No traction control, no lane assist, just you, the steering wheel, and the road. The truck talks to you through the vibrations of the frame, through the hum of the tires, through that old-school gearbox that requires both patience and precision. You don't just drive it, you become part of it. And when you pop that hood and look inside, the simplicity is mesmerizing. You can actually see the engine, the belts, the hoses, the soul of the machine. No plastic covers hiding the heart of the beast. For gearheads, this is pure art. For collectors, it's an investment. For the rest of us, it's a piece of history that still roars to life. The 1972 Chevrolet C10 embodies everything that made the American auto industry legendary. It's dependable, it's powerful, and it's got style that never fades. Whether you're restoring one from the ground up, customizing it into a showstopper, or simply appreciating it for what it is, you're keeping alive a legacy that's over half a century old. This truck represents freedom, authenticity, and pride, and in today's world of disposable cars and soulless designs, the C10 stands as a symbol of permanence. And let's be real, when you see one rolling down the street, especially one that's been perfectly restored, everyone turns their head. It's that kind of respect that can't be bought. It's earned, built, and preserved. It's the same reason people keep these trucks in their families for generations. Because a C10 doesn't just transport you, it transports time. So if you've got one sitting in your garage, consider yourself lucky. You're holding on to a piece of American culture that'll never be forgotten. And if you don't have one yet, maybe it's time to start looking. Because once you feel that rumble under your hands, once you see that long hood stretching out in front of you under the golden sunset, you'll understand why this isn't just a truck. It's a legend. Thanks for watching. Everyone, I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into the 1972 Chevrolet C10, one of the most iconic trucks ever built. If you love this video, smash that like button, drop a comment telling me your favorite C10 memory or dream build, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more classic car content every single week. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. We've got restorations, test drives, and more automotive history coming your way. Stay classic, stay bold, and as always, keep that engine roaring.